Alright, and welcome to Lazy Gadgets today. Yeah, something bigger. Someone asked for a Cyberpunk SMG, like SMG sized, like, a bit bigger, two-handed, with a super special grip panels. They just look super nice, and some lights in the front. And Cyberpunk to me is just this combination of, yeah, gunmetal gray and yellow. So I had to go for that. The barrel has a very unusual, it looks a bit like a silencer, and it's like an oval shaped tubing. And some wood, just to make it a bit old school, in the rear. And the stock is actually pretty nice. It's split, made of two parts. And yeah, that's enough talk. Let's just fire the laser. Should burn fairly quickly. Yeah, that's... Okay, I saw a flame. Hey, I said no, but damn it. Is it strong enough for the white cardboard? Yeah. White is actually a problem. Because it scatters so much. Works. FedEx, you burning cardboard smells funny. Just to let you know. I want to see the bad burner burn some wood. Yeah, that works well too. Smells kind of nice in here now. It's not oak but it smells nice. Doesn't look too nice now, but yeah. And that's it for the burning laser fun for the day. I hope you liked it. Gotta get this bad boy out to the new owner. Next time, probably another laser. I got something, let's say, retro-futuristic on the bench. So stay tuned, leave a like, subscribe if you want, and I see you guys later.